Welcome to the Griddle Guys. Thank you for joining us. We got Chris, Nate, Jeff. Skinny Jeff, of course, looking great. If you guys been watching us, you know we haven't really been cooking too much on the griddle. We've done party potatoes, turkey.
Messy turkey.
Smoking on the griddle. I guess that's kind of using the griddle. But anyway, we are doing griddle tonight. If you like garlic, you're gonna like this one. We're doing garlic chicken wraps. Kind of old school, simple, easy, gonna be delicious. And I heard a little something. This guy might actually take a bite.
This might be the first thing this guy's ever cooked that's healthy, so we'll see.
Oh.
I'll wait to see.
Well, you haven't seen the ingredients.
I was just gonna say, I'll wait to see the ingredients. Carry on.
These guys to work. I'm gonna work on the marinade to start. Jeff's gonna be prepping my chicken because we know there won't be one little piece of fat left on it when he's done.
And something that just caught my eye: $4.99 a pound.
It ain't cheap. It ain't cheap.
$4.99 a pound. Oh.
And I got Nate working on the toppings, so everybody's chipping in tonight, which is what I like to do. I like to make these guys work when they come. It's not all just drinking and making fun of me.
Plenty of that.
Since when did that change?
Marinade. Okay, we got a little over a quarter cup of olive oil. I really don't measure, guys.
Really?
So, oregano. A good amount. Jeff usually says, oh, that's about 2 tablespoons. Yeah, a little thinner, please.
Thinner?
Like you. A little red hot. Just a little. You gotta remember, it's gonna be marinade, so it goes a long way. There you go, that's perfect.
Yeah, these onions getting cooked or raw?
Raw. Does that work for you? I think you would like it on the sandwich more raw, wouldn't you?
Me? Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I guess I'll cut them a little smaller if they're raw then.
Pepper. Half of a lemon. I had a good neighbor. I forgot lemon today. I had a good neighbor that hooked me up with a lemon.
I was gonna say, wait a second, I thought you hated you. Oh, forget it. Other neighbor.
I'm Chris's pantry.
Hey, come on, who bailed you out on Christmas?
No, that's true. That's true.
The most important day of the year.
Well, he gave you plenty of notice to take over a party of 40. What was that, half a day?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that too.
Yeah.
Half a day?
I thought that's what you were talking about.
No, I'm talking about when your Christmas dinner, you needed tomato sauce.
Oh, I thought you were...
Oh, I thought you were talking about when my household got sick and we couldn't
Oh yeah, I
host.
forgot about that too. I did that too. About 1,000.
In my book, you are.
Bunch of garlic, guys. I'm going very heavy with the garlic. You want to marinate this? I'm going to say at least 2 hours. Let it sit together.
So I know we've mentioned this in other videos. This simple contraption here from Zip Quicker. It's very handy. Much handier than you'd think it would be. Hold your bags open for you when you are putting things like raw chicken in them or any other marinade.
We use it, 3 times, 4 times a week, easily.
I did not want to store this in my cabinets. I have limited cabinet space.
You got mad at me when I brought a whole set over to him.
I use it all the time now. So.
For the record, we're not getting any kickback for this either. We just
No,
like
we're not. We're not.
We should be, but we're not.
Well, it is a nice company, a nice guy. It does have a nice story. We need to get a little bit more involved, I think, with him.
It's a great product. I love the fresh garlic, that's for sure. So Chris gives me a hard time. There's a little tendon left over
chicken
usually.
left, Jeff, when you're done.
Nate gives me a hard time, and I just...
Well, I give you a hard time because I like eating fat.
Yeah, but...
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I like beef fat. I like pork fat. I like chicken skin.
I love chicken skin.
So one thing that I do, I don't know what you guys think, but when I'm doing stuff like this with chicken, I cut it in the middle, and then I spin it, so that way I'm cutting across the grain. I feel like I get more tender pieces after I cook it.
What are we doing with the tomatoes, Chris? Same thing? Fine dice, medium dice, large dice?
Medium to small dice. How about that? Does that answer your question?
Sure.
And I make one comment about Chris's knives 3.5 years ago that they're not sharp, and every time I come over here now, they're razor sharp.
Was that you or Nate, or both of you?
Both of us, I think. I think we both shit on you that
I
night.
think you did. Oh, I missed those days.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see, he's already got the onions done. We are actually on this video, we're all gonna wrap our own garlic chicken wrap.
Nice.
So that should be interesting to see who, and we're gonna put it back on the griddle after we wrap them.
Your marinade done already?
Really?
My marinade is done.
Oh, that was quick, huh?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get this a little crispy on the griddle?
We're gonna throw a little butter down, throw the wrap back on there.
I like it.
Yeah, it should be delicious. I know it will be delicious. I already made it. Made this a few times and it's always comes out excellent. And if you like garlic, you can't go wrong. I mean, this is garlic, garlic, garlic. Chicken.
So is that ready to be?
That is good. I'm gonna throw the marinade right in there, Jeff.
All right, throw that in there, and then I'll mix it around. Yeah.
It's just a few.
It's just a little bit of garlic in there, huh?
Smell that?
I can smell it, but what I'm surprised is that I don't see that much red flake.
Yeah, I'll throw in more. That's all right. I like your thinking.
I'm shocked.
I did put a lot. It felt like it did, but I'm with you.
Perfect. Just gonna move that around to get that all marinated. How long are you gonna marinate this for?
I'm gonna throw it in for at least a couple hours. If you can do it overnight, even better. And you know, for the cloves, I threw in about 7 cloves of garlic. You don't have to throw that much in. I'm just going extra garlic on this. So I'm also gonna be doing a garlic mayonnaise to go in the wrap as well.
Wow.
It's gonna be a garlic dish.
Like an official aioli?
I guess if you wanna say that.
So comment below if you guys, anybody is marinated chicken, you thought you were doing great, right? You got the chicken in there, you marinate it, you take it out of the fridge an hour later, 2 hours later, 24 hours later, and you pull it out and 3 pieces out of the 6 don't have marinated on one side because you put the marinade in after.
Oh yeah.
It happens. Anyways, so move that around. That way everything's nice and coated.
It's nice and tight. And I actually flip it every couple hours while it's in the fridge, or every hour.
Chris made us chicken wings too to snack on.
I follow Chef John's instructions on that. Play with your meat until it seems uncomfortable.
You
Yes,
just wait to say
yes.
that name.
Yeah.
It makes
But
sense.
it's for exactly that reason, because I hate when you pull it out of the marinade and you pick up a piece and one whole side's dry because it was packed against another piece of meat.
All right, well, Nate's cutting his lettuce. He's got almost everything done. I'm gonna work on the garlic mayo. We're gonna start with, I don't know, maybe about half a cup of mayo, I'm guessing.
That's a cup.
Half a cup.
So about a cup of mayo, yeah. Next.
And about a quarter cup of sour cream.
I saw a YouTube short where there was a chef who was saying how to use your hand to estimate whether it's like a half cup, full cup,
Yeah.
2 cups. I really think we need to just have Chris watch that about 37
Garlic
times.
powder. A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
But
What's wrong with
in
that?
his,
It all comes
in
out
his
at the end
defense, his
fine.
ratio looks right. It's about half sour cream to half mayo.
A little salt, a little pepper, little vinegar. I don't know, Jeff, what, 2 tablespoons?
Yeah.
2 teaspoons?
And that doesn't cause it to separate
And
at all, right?
usually we have garlic paste, but I couldn't find any at the market. So I'm going with a whopping amount of
2
minced
tablespoons.
garlic. And then we mix.
All right.
Jeff says 2 tablespoons. Chris estimates it at a quarter of a tablespoon.
So about a weak cup of mayo, strong half cup sour cream,
I'd agree with that.
2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Anything
A little bit of
else?
salt, pepper,
A little salt. Do you want me to
and
put
a
some
little
in?
bit
Or?
of garlic. I already put it in. A little bit of garlic powder. And there you go. Look
This
at
is
that.
all starting to smell awesome.
Wow, that's good. And I'm gonna put it in the fridge, get it chilled. Again, an hour or 2, good to go.
Nice. So far, this seems pretty low carb. So far, what's going to be the wild card here?
No, that's it.
There's
you're good.
always something.
Oh, we got cheese. We're good. Look at the little wraps. The wraps aren't that bad.
I like
Good,
it.
Jeff.
I like it.
So we're gonna drink now for 2 hours, and then we're gonna go cook the chicken out in the garage. So we'll see you in drunk 2 hours.
We'll see you sideways out in the garage.
Griddle. We're actually on the griddle.
sorry.
Get out of here, you.
Back in the garage.
Back in the garage. It's been a while, and I'll tell you what. It really has. Smell that, Nate?
Oh, it smells good.
Oh,
Smells good.
I get a
Smells
whiff
like
of
a
it
lot of garlic.
every time I pull it out. You want to separate this as much as you can, just so you don't smother each other.
You want me to just give you a dump with that?
Hold on, I got him on the other side. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that's not probably what it. There we go.
That's gonna go quick.
Gonna go very quick.
What's the, what do you have the grill on? Medium?
I've got it on medium. Looking at brownie size. Not really looking for anything more. Certainly don't want to overcook it. These will cook very fast because Jeff cut it so good, nice and perfectly. They're all gonna be done at the same time.
Jeff's into skinny. He's into skinny, so.
Trimmed and cut. Just
I
right.
just want to find one little piece of fat just to.
Just a fault.
And guys, if you made it this far, girls, everyone, Griddle family, like, subscribe, hit the notification, share if you like us.
Yes, please. Tell your friends.
Tell your
Have your
friends.
friends tell their friends.
Even if you don't like us, like and subscribe.
Yeah, it doesn't cost you anything. It's free.
Smells excellent.
Dunk approved.
I like the height of this table for this, by the way.
He was scared done.
I like it too, Chris.
Yeah.
Griddle worked fantastic. It's cold here. The boys want to eat. Food is ready. Time to build it.
We got the griddle on low though for toasting afterwards.
Yes, we're gonna toast them up. Yes.
Keeping that warm.
Jeff, go ahead. What can I help you with? Everything's in front of Jeff here, like he owns the place. Him and his low carb, no carb wrap.
Hey, why not? There we go.
What's up, Jug?
We are filming. Say hello.
Hi, guys. It's a little cold out for shorts, but you know.
The life of a professional basketball player.
Anyone else for onion? Swap it?
Yeah, thanks.
Guys, all I smell is garlic.
It does smell garlicky. So
I feel like I'm watching somebody at Moe's or Chipotle right now.
I feel like this is going to be a typical, not going to be able to roll
Close
it.
it?
Yeah.
By the way, it's just cheddar and jack. It's actually a mixed cheddar and jack cheese. Colby Jack.
This cheese sauce would probably be pretty nice on this.
Yeah.
Chris, I'm giving up.
However you like.
All right.
I'm giving up on your squirt ball that won't come out.
Oh, it didn't come out, really?
No, I'm just going with the
It's not because it's freezing.
No,
full drizzle.
definitely not.
I don't know. I'm not gonna be able to close this.
Definitely not.
So that would fit with every other burrito video we've ever made,
I
Chris.
know.
Well, your eyes.
Well, it's because you made the lettuce too thick, Nate.
Your eyes are bigger than your wrap. Chris is enamored with his own creation. All right.
Garlic.
Smells very garlicky. This is for sure. Here's mine.
A little salt.
Let's see how Chris does closing his. Here we go, Chris.
Fresh pepper.
Like the 10th time.
Take a couple of times and then
Dude, you want this?
What are you?
it's not happening.
Seriously, this guy?
Can't do it.
Yeah. Eyes bigger than the burrito.
Can't do it.
All right.
You have to figure something out.
All right, I'll give mine a shot.
Oh my God, now I ripped it. Perfect, ripped it. Disaster. Broke it everywhere. Gotta get a new one.
Well, it doesn't help that it's cold.
It doesn't. Made mine too big.
All right, before mine rips, I'm going to the griddle.
Wait, we need some butter.
I'm gonna get it on there first. We can worry about the butter after.
Now you want to go rub mine? Wrap mine, I mean?
No, I do not want to rub yours, no matter what.
You don't want to rub mine. Damn, look at that, it fell apart. How you doing with yours, Jeff?
I'm doing it. Just trying to get the ends nice and tight.
Nate, I think I'm gonna put my wrap inside that wrap, and then
Nate,
you're gonna wrap
You
it.
got room for mine, Nate?
I gotta get off. I got damage control to take care of.
Take that with you. Butter coated.
Oh, this is gonna be nice. Chris, where's yours?
Isn't this your video, Chris?
Chris?
Yeah, mine's over there.
Jeff, I'm using the plate as a weight on ours.
Oh, look at that. Got a nice little butter sizzle going on there.
This stuff got cold quick.
Don't blame it on the wraps. Blame it on your eyes.
He's almost got it.
You throw some butter down for me, please.
That works.
You can.
You totally redeemed yourself.
So you're saying there's a chance?
Perfect.
So Jeff, ever being the responsible one of us, actually I shouldn't say that because he's generally not the responsible one of us, but
Generally speaking, not the.
he did have a good idea. He figured we might as well make burritos. I'm sorry, Chris, are we calling it a burrito?
Garlic chicken fajitas.
Garlic chicken wraps.
Okay, we should make garlic chicken wraps for the kids. So he whipped together 2 additional ones. We got the weight on them over here now. Mine is on the left, Jeff's on the right. Looking pretty good. Did a flip. What do you think, Chris?
Smells delicious in this garage.
It really does. It's not what you expect when you walk into a garage.
Right.
So Chris, this is the size of a wrap that filled properly. Get the nice tucked on the side, over, little squeeze action. Use your pinkies, roll on the
Yeah,
sides.
I mean, if I didn't want to put nothing in it, I could do that. I like to put some food in it, though. They definitely are not pliable.
Yeah, the cold's not helping with that.
No, definitely not.
Taste test time. Put these guys to the test. See if it tastes like garlic. Chicken garlic. Garlic chicken. Jeff is gonna eat. This is a huge moment.
It's the first bite of food that I've had after 3 o'clock.
It's been 7 months.
In 7 months.
Wow, what a treat. Hopefully it was worth the wait.
I got garlic on the front,
Too garlicky.
and I got garlic on the back,
I told you it'd be garlic.
with some onion in the middle. It's really good. That mayo is kick-ass too.
All right, I'm gonna say garlic version of a burrito.
Of course you're gonna say burrito.
I taste garlic, chicken, garlic.
Perfect, that's what we're going for. Likey?
That's good. That's really good.
Easy, guys. It's, you know, if you like garlic, again, you put as much or as little. I garlic the heck out of these to make it a point, because I really love the taste of garlic.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like,
I'm giving you
the fresh garlic.
I'm giving you a hard time about the flavor of the garlic. It's actually very, very tasty. It tastes really good.
It's hard to make chicken
good.
taste like really garlic, right?
Yeah, because as you cook it, it gets more and more mild.
Right, exactly. So with the sauce, with that, it's a home run.
Yeah, it's got a great flavor. I mean,
I'm still choking
just choking on the pepperoni cheese.
Pepperoni.
But,
Anyway.
what I really like is the combination of the garlic and the vegetables, believe it or not. Tomatoes,
Yeah.
lettuce, onion.
Yeah. I made it before for Kat. She's like, hey, this tastes like the tzatziki.
Right.
She goes, you should throw some cucumbers in here.
No, very tasty. And fun to make, too. Good. Yeah. It's a winner, Chris.
Guys, thanks for joining us. Hey, it's good to be back on the griddle. We got more videos coming up, a lot going on. Cheers to you. See you in the next video.
Cheers.